حي على الصلاة حي على حي على الفلاح حي على
all these things. And if you don't remember, what will you do then? You will be singing. What will you be singing? हवा में उड़ता जाए मेरा फ़ियल और मेरा फ़ाइल हो जी. All these will fly over you. Huh? The file will fly, the फ़ियल will fly. Okay? Ready? हवा में उड़ता जाए मेरा फ़ियल और मेरा फ़ाइल हो जी. इधर उधर लहराए मेरा मुदाफ इलैही. इधर उधर लहराए मेरा मुदाफ और मुदाफ इलैही हो जी. This you will be singing then. But we don't want you to sing this, brother. Inshallah. Jazakumullahu khair. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala nabiyyina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa ashabihi wa azwajihi ajma'in. أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي زدني علما أجمعين إن شاء الله. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala increase in all of us knowledge. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Harf jar? MashaAllah. Harf jar? Ism majrur, inshallah. We'll remember. Now, brothers and sisters, we are doing lesson number 19. Adarsu Tasiya Ashara. Now, in this lesson, Dr. Sahib, Dr. Abdul Rahim will introduce to us the numbers for the first time. But they will come in groups. In this lesson, we are only learning up to 10. Okay. And then in book 2, in the beginning, we will learn from 11 to 19. And then at the end of book 2, we have lesson number 24, I believe, in which all the numbers are given. But because numbers are something that one has to use it all the time to get familiar with it, So if you do not get it right away, don't worry. Just don't worry. It will come to you slowly. We are here from different countries. This is very funny. We are here from different countries. We speak so many languages. Even I can speak Gujarati, Kutchi, and Urdu little, and English, of course. We all went to school. So sometimes I can speak to someone in Gujarati. And especially people from South Africa, they can speak both Gujarati and Kutchi. And even from East Africa, they can speak those two languages because they went from India, from these provinces, to settle in Africa. So I have this brother, a very wonderful brother. He speaks to me in Gujarati. But when I count in Gujarati, he said, don't count, because I don't understand numbers in Gujarati. No, he speaks Gujarati, but when it comes to numbers, he's totally lost. So then, I then start counting in English. So I was, thinking about this. I said, he can speak the language, but he cannot count in the language. That's very strange, But I guess it's a practice. If we don't have enough practice, sometimes we don't understand the counting. So here also, brothers and sisters, we are learning the counting. Inshallah, you will understand. But if you sometimes are slow in understanding this concept, it shouldn't worry you. By reading more often, whole thing will, inshallah, come to you. And if you happen to go to Middle East, brothers and sisters, and if you will hear it around you, you will pick it up very fast, inshallah. Brothers and sisters, I have divided the numbers in these groups, for us to understand. Group number 1 is 1 and 2. I have put them in a separate group because the numbers behave differently in 1 and 2. Then 3 to 10, this is another group. And then 11 to 19, which we will study in book 2, in the early part of book 2. And then from 20 to 99, that's another group. And then from 100 and up, that is a separate group. So there are minor changes taking place when we start counting from 3 to 10, from 11 to 19, from 20 to 99, there are some changes taking place, from 100 and up. And we will note them, we will observe them, inshallah. What about 1 and 2? But these two numbers are always adjectives. They are not. Always not. That is why I wrote them in red. Kalamun wahidun. 1 pen. So here, kalamun is man'ut and wahidun is the not. The same way, kalamani ithnani. 2 pens. But remember, brothers and sisters, ithnani, that Hamza is Hamzatul Wasal. We have to remember that. So you will say kalaman ithnani, kalaman ithnani. But for emphasis, sometimes we say kalamani, then you pause and you say ithnani. It's okay, brothers and sisters. Sometimes you will only say kalamani, and that gives you the idea of 2. But in order to emphasize more, then we say ithnani. But if you did not use ithnani, still the kalamani conveys the idea